it's about to go down. Like, anyway, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. And to my all-time subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to show your love and support. And today's video is an entertaining video, and I'm going to show you my three tips of how to twerk, and also show you how to booty clap. This one is really going to be interesting because I'm feeling shy about it, but I want to do it. I want to push myself. And by the way, cheers to consistency. Are you guys seeing my consistency? Yeah. So let's get straight into the video. So first of all, let's start with the tips. When I am twerking, I love having baggy dresses like this one, or have a very tight trouser or pants that sucks me in. Looks like it's my skin, like that tight. It gives you good results, I can promise you that. Or shorts, you know. Yeah. So the first one is my all-time signature twerk. That one I love. It's like this. That's my signature one. So the tip is your waist to your head needs to go down low, and the lower you go, the better results. The higher you are, the lesser results. That's the tip. And then also always have your toes tippy-toed so that you can elevate your back and gives you better results. So let's start with the upper part is not down low as much. So like this. That's what you get when it's lower. Do you see the difference? Now, when we've tippy-toed, so the thing is, tippy-toe needs a lot of balance, because if you don't have balance, you'll be down low. Anyway, the second tip is the second way of me twerking. These ones are my the easiest, right? This other one is like you open your legs and close them, open while you shake your ass. So this is how it looks like. So that one, you don't move your legs. Your legs are down, have I'm already tired. Your legs are like chinny, like that, and then they open and close, open and close. They don't move. They're stable, but your knees and your thighs move like targets. The last one is an incorporation of a booty clap with the sound, and that's what gives the last twerk. So when you booty clap, it gives you the last twerk. You get it? You get it? So the tip of booty clapping is, you see, you move up and down, but you make sure your ass is also moving up and down. That's the only way it will give you the clap effect. If you don't, then it won't. So let me show you. Let's do it. also, when your legs are together, it gives better sound than when your legs are apart. Sorry, when you are apart, you see when my legs are apart, it's not giving it, like it's not giving the sound. But when my legs are together, like it gives the sound. So yeah, so that's all I had for you today. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and all of that. And what videos do you want me to do the next time? Yeah, so other than that, love y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way, and be good people.